my channel. On today's menu I have GiGi's fried chicken. My fried chicken in my home is #1 requested, so I decided to share with you all. I have my drumlets and flats marinating in buttermilk and my spice blend. If you haven't watched my video with the butter sauce, there is a seasoned blend that I use for my seafood boils, and also I use my seasoned blend for my marinades. So I've been marinating the chicken and the buttermilk mixture for about 30 minutes. You can marinate a little longer, just enough for the flavors to marinate. I have 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of cornstarch in my Ziploc bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the chicken, just get a little excess off, you can leave some on, drop it in the flour mixture, not too many. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the remainder of the chicken, and then I'll meet you over at the stove. All right, chicken's all floured up. I'm just checking the oil to make sure it's between 350 and 370. So it looks like we're good and ready to go. All right, still my burners are up. So chicken's all nice and floured. Here we go. Let this cook, and then I'm gonna be right back. All right, so the first batch is out, and what I did for the second batch, I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in some more flour and put it into the skillet. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and place these in the oven on a low temperature and allow these to just sit in the oven for a little bit to get some of that grease off of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's check the temperature. So we want to make sure it's at the right temperature.
A few moments later. Three hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time card.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. All right, let's go ahead and put these bad girls in, or bad guys. So remember, I went ahead and coated the chicken again with some flour only, not cornstarch, just flour. So let's go ahead and make sure it's coated well. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a nice little flip. Excuse me. We're gonna go ahead and allow this to cook for about 5-10 minutes on the other side. All right, so I have removed the first batch out of the oven. And I'm gonna go ahead and place them in the serving dish on a napkin or paper towel, and then I'm gonna take the chicken out of the frying pan here and place them into the oven to allow the grease to drain. In other words, it'll be nice and crispy. It kind of gives it a crispier taste. But they're crispy now, but oven makes it very crispy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the oven, put the third batch in, and then we'll come back and then we'll plate it up and let you see the results. All right, so now the chicken is ready, completely cooled out of the oven. I'm gonna make a sauce. So I have 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, and I'm gonna add some hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Alright, here's a stir. And I like to eat this hot sauce with my chicken. So let's go ahead and let this cook about a minute or 2. You don't want it to boil, just heat it up. And we're gonna go ahead and serve everything up. Alright, we're all finished frying up the chicken. The spicy hot sauce is ready to go. And I'm gonna go ahead and serve her up. Throw it in here for the family. It's nice and crispy, seasoned well. Remember, if you hadn't seen my other seasoning blend, you can actually access it on the page as well. I'll put a link in the description below. But it looks like it's all ready and to be served up to the family. One more for the charm. All right, I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment if you need, or if you want me to make any food of your choice, or if you have any suggestions, just put everything in the comment. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Cheers!